Here we go, everybody. It's 2:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And guess what? February 2nd, 2015. And what do we have before us? We are going to point out that stocks got hammered in January. And when I say hammered, I mean hammered. We're going to go through what we call price volatility that has been in this market for the whole month of January, and that when we went off in this rally in 2013 and we ended December 31, 2014, that was a 24-month breakout in the 6-year cycle that you always get. Now, the January effect is in play. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show all my MMTs, the high beta stocks. So one thing I am going to make it very clear when we do this is that under the range today, that's what these names, and volatility is what us market makers do. So we're going to start with Priceline, and I have Priceline right here on a daily chart. Priceline today had a $21.50 move, and it's also weighted in the S&P. CMG, another big bellwether that had a fairly sizable day. $16.43, testing the 20-day and the 10-day and whatnot. It's overvalued right along with a lot of the others ones. Let's go to AutoZone, AZO. You can see here where this stock got just crushed, and we've been buying it off of these bottoms. And yes, it's below the daily simple moving averages, and that it was overbought. We're going to continue to sell short. So the round trip on the AutoZone is exactly $15.34. Amazon, huge move. The stock reported earnings. They gapped that up. They have kept this going on a second day in a row. And actually, let's take a look at the Amazon was $14.99 intraday. Once again, though, these are great trades. GEE, oh boy, GOOGL, look at this. The 10-day is pointing up. The white line is the 50. It's going down. It got totally oversold. They just reported their earnings right here. They made the low in after hours. They popped it and they've sold it back down. The total movement on the GOOGL, $14.78. Now, let's look at the symbol here, the GOOG. Same action. Okay? Nice move. We had the call contracts. They came back. They faded in. They popped it on the earnings. Another one of our great stocks that everybody knows is called REGN right here. REGN right here. The last print was $413 with a $13.35 move. This is what a market should be. We got both the bear and the bull are both getting paid in the today ranges. This one is testing all of its moving averages, but nonetheless, it still remains one of the better, I call it the biotech. We were so right about those. Here we go. We're going to talk about ISRG. ISRG had a $13 move intraday with $507 print. That was the last one, testing the 100-day. All the other key moving averages are pointing down. It's in a daily sell signal, and it is ready for an intraday pop off of these bottoms. Now, our famous BIIB. Oh, what a great move. What a great gap. They had upgrades today. And we're holding this area. And for intraday today, we had a $12.98 move. Now, Netflix, everybody knows that one. That one today had a move of $10. That's the super gap. Yes, it is. And these are the gaps. We're consolidating up here. It had a great move again at $10. ADS, a great company in its sector. I mean, we rallied up to the top with this thing. We've been trading this thing forever. You can see that big rally, and we faded back There's the bottom of that wick, testing the 15 to 40-day moving average. ADS $10 move. We're going to get into ALXN right now. And ALXN, another great stock that we've been covering. It too got down here. Look at that big daily bar right here. So it remains a very good stock, and it has the right kind of move on ALXN, $9.33. I will blow it up real quickly. Take a look here. This is that February volatility. Look at that big move it had right here. I mean, that baby got going. We're going to buy that support level and continue to trade that one. BlackRock, another super duper type stock that we have been trading for a very, very long time. It's testing the 100-day moving average. And BlackRock did have a little bit of movement today. It was exactly right here, $8.66. The last print was $347, everyone. CF, everybody knows this one. It's had a great run in 2015. CF Industries, sitting on the 10-day moving average. I just want everyone to know they finally got some good news out of here, and we started that rally in 14. We went up. We've done exactly what it should do. It did some back-end filling at the price, and how extraordinary that this price was. It's had a topping consolidation. We will continue to watch it. We like trading it. One of the other ones I'm going to show you. Here we go. We have the daily chart in GWW. And you can see where the 2015 breakdown was. You can see these counter rallies just kept getting hammered, and you can see that gap down. They shot that wick right up there. We've had a 3, 4, 5 day upside move. We will continue to sell short and buy long off of the bottom. Both sides get paid extremely well. $7.72 move. ACT, once again, this one here, we had a huge rally. We faded back. We're testing all the moving averages. We're going to buy off of that dip and sell into those rips. Here's another one, though, that everybody knows. I just want to be very clear. Visa, look at how choppy the daily chart is. You know, their earnings were okay. They had a super pop right here in those earnings. They came right back down here. A great stock to be trading as far as the movements. PCP, another one that had got cratered. One of our bigger shorts. Look at that earnings gap down right here. Look at it. They pop it back up, and it's come down here. And we'll be watching those resistance levels. And, of course, we will sell short into every move. A $6 movement here on APD. And basically, I can say that the volume could have been a little bit bigger. It's got a daily buy signal. It's testing all the moving averages there right now. So let's kind of keep on going through the list. Costco, which has been on fire forever, every so often will come back down here on that daily, consolidate, tested all its core moving averages, bounced like a rocket, and that was a low there at 140. Another stock that people love is this one right here, Sherwin-Williams. It's been consolidating these highs and these support levels right here on the daily moving averages. This one's either going to pop straight up out of this base, or we're going to come down and test that 50-day simple moving average. Super what? Hot rod Tesla. Look at this. We were over here when we had a good earnings report. Here's a 2015. We've gone straight down to lows. This was a great buy. We trade this every single day in our market maker division. And once again, Tesla has done extremely well off of that low end and these daily volatility movements and swings. Here we go with Baidu, and everybody knows about these trades on Baidu. We had great trades over here. We started out the year. We popped. We sold straight down 5 days. We popped. We sold down another 3, 4, 5. And once again, it really hasn't found a true bottom yet. It's too early to tell, other than these previous bottoms right here on Baidu are holding currently right now.